Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange UCL player. This is the part 1 guarantee of 80 until 87 OVR best player. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, and maybe you're confusing how to challenge the event, how you can complete the quests, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the play button, tap the live events, and tap this UEFA Champions League. Please drag or to the right, and this one, player exchange, tap it, and this one, UCL group stage player that you can get by exchange feature. I want to show you, this is the part 1, 80 until 87 a OVR best player. This is the possible rewards that you can get. For example, Gavi from Barcelona have a 87 OVR, this one. This is the UCL group stage live player. This is possible reward for you. And if you are not get this player, you are guaranteed reward by 80 until 87 player. Let's get back. You can exchange this with the condition of 4 OVR attacker with 70 plus, also 70 plus OVR midfielder 3 player, and 70 over defender or goalkeeper 4 player. If you have that player or fulfill the condition, just tap quick add and you can exchange. So thank you. If you need this UCL player, please do it now. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.